Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.3% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Asian markets enjoyed healthy gains over murmurs that the US Federal Reserve may loosen its monetary tightening, but stocks in Hong Kong and China were muted after Beijing announced its lowest economic growth target in decades. TeraWulf has begun operations at its Nautilus crypto mine facility, the first nuclear-powered Bitcoin mining facility in the US, with nearly 8,000 mining rigs online representing computer power or hash rate of about 1 exahash per second. Thousands of Tesla's Model Y vehicles are being recalled in the US by the company, according to a recent report by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Loose bolts in the second-row seats of thousands of Tesla cars was the reason cited for the recall.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-year note auction will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The US Redbook Index at 1355 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 0330 GMT. Japan's trade balance will be released at 2350 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT. Germany's factory orders at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.